Okay, I'm working on a 2006 GMC Yukon Denali XL, and my heater fan started making some horrible noise. Sounded like marbles turning in it. So I decided to try to see if I could see something myself. I just pulled it down from up here, and you can see an animal was building a nest in it, maybe, or maybe it's just debris that got sucked in over time. What the hell? That is crazy. No wonder it sounds terrible. Person's been breathing this crap. But before I put it all back together, I'm gonna put a little touch of oil on it after I clean it out, and then see if it sounds better when I turn the car on, because it'll spin violently, so I got to be careful. But it's a job that you could do yourself. All you have to do is press down on this tab and then turn it. It's really difficult to get down though, because the floorboard's right in the way there, and I had to take this off because this resistor was in the way also. So good grief. Sounds good now. It's not making that bad noise anymore. It was just filthy. Okay, I got this much more debris out of the little like modulator hole right here. It's just packed in there. I don't know if ice got up in there. You gotta get your finger up in there and just kind of move around and just keep pulling it out. Look how much. Even when you think you got it all, you didn't. Just keep feeling around in there, because that's going right into the fan here. So I think I got 90% of it, but that is a lot of stuff. And I already got a whole bag full. That's what was in the fan itself. Whoops. You can see it's on my hand. It is a messy job, but it's easy enough. I'm hoping this goes back in without too much issue. That's what was up in that fan right there. Face mask. Okay, I definitely recommend that you vacuum out where the fan motor goes, because it was packed with stuff. There was a face mask, and it looked like dryer sheets. I can't even believe the stuff that's in here. Alright, now this should just go right back up in. Right there's the clip you got to worry about. Right there, see that little clip? You got to get it up in place, and then you'll turn it clockwise, I think. All right, I know I didn't show it on camera, but you got to get that clip farther to the back, which will put these wires more around back. It'll push up in, and then this little lip right here, you can put your thumb on, and you push up and turn it clockwise, right? Yeah, I think it was clockwise, like righty-tighty. So you turn it to the right, and once it's in, you can see it doesn't even wiggle. So that's it, it's in there. And these wires will kind of come around to the side here where you can see them better. That's how you'll know. But it's in there. I don't think see, that's off, that's tight. Off, tight. So there it is. this little, whatever that is forward, so that should be it. Seems like it's in there. Now I just got to put those two little screws back to put this modulator or whatever it is back up into that square, which should be easy enough. Let's see. $7:30 is the size of these two little screws right here. One there, one right there. That's it. Now you just got to put this back on. Okay, I'm using a 9 by 32 to put these little black screws back in, and that's what'll hold this plate back up. There's a screw right here and a screw right here. You don't have to take the other one out. This screw right here and this screw right here. Take this plastic off was harder than the whole rest of the job. Sad. But that's how you clean out your blower motor and get your heater to quit making noise and start blowing some air again, if that's what was wrong with it. Well, this is what it sounds like. Come on. Jeez. Did you hear that? And I'll turn it up. At least I have heat again, and it's only about half as loud, if even, as what it was before. I think there may have been more debris up in there that sucked down into it, or the motor, the fan motor itself is just bad and I have to replace it. So, but in a pinch, I mean, if the motor would have been good, that would have worked. And at least I have heat, like I was saying, to get through these next couple really cold days. I hope this video helps someone.